The question was, hello, my name is Zara Nisari Gita. Name is 6424117 Faculty of Economics and Business majoring in Management. Today, I will present about the question word. What are the question word? How do you understand them? Let's look at the presentation. What is a question word? Question words are what we then call WH questions are interrogative words that are used to form questions in English. In the world of grammar, WH question words are key to understanding how we construct effective and informative questions. They help us obtain the information we need in conversation or writing. Kind of question word. Number 1. What? Apa? Number 2, where, di mana. Number 3, why, kenapa. Number 4, when, kapan. Number 5, which, yang mana. Number 6, who, siapa. Number 7, whom, dengan siapa. Number 8, whose, kepemilikan. Number 9, how, bagaimana. What, apa? What is a question word in English that is used to ask about object, activity, or concept that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context? Example. Number 1. What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Number 2. What is your favorite song? Apa lagu favoritmu? Number 3. What is the purpose of this meeting? Apa tujuan dari rapat ini? Number 2. Where, di mana. Where is a question word in English that is used to ask for the location or place where an event occurs in a conversation or situation. Example. Number 1. Where do you live? Kamu tinggal di mana? Number 2. Where do you work? Di mana kamu bekerja? Number 3. Where is my pen? Di mana pen aku? Number 3. Why? Kenapa? This word is used to ask the reason behind an event, action, happening, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something. Example. Number 1. Why are you late? Kenapa kamu terlambat? Number 2. Why is he laughing? Kenapa dia tertawa? Number 3. Why do you want to learn English? Kenapa kamu ingin belajar bahasa Inggris? Number 4. When? Kapan? When is a question word in English that is used to ask about the time or time period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a certain time or period in a conversation or situation, and to help us understand the sequence or schedule of events. Example. Number 1. When did you arrive in Bali? Kapan kamu tiba di Bali? Number 2. When will the meeting start? Kapan rapat akan dimulai? Number 3. When is the next train to London? Kapan kereta berikut ke London? Number 5. Which? Yang mana? Which is question word in English that help you choose between several options. Its function is to request information regarding a particular choice from a number of available options to assist us in decision-making or to identify a particular object or person in a particular situation or context. Example. Number 1. Which? Which color do you want? Warna apa yang kamu inginkan? Number 2. Which book are you reading right now? Buku mana yang sedang kamu baca sekarang? Number 3. Which movie did you watch last night? Film mana yang kamu tonton semalam? Number 6. Who, siapa? Who is a question word in English that is used to ask the identity of a person or group of people involved in particular event, activity, or context. Who serves to help us identify relevant people or subject in a context. Example. Number 1. What is your favorite actor? Siapa aktor favoritmu? Number 2. Who owns this bag? Tas ini punya siapa? Number 3. Who will come to today's seminar? Siapa yang akan datang pada seminar hari ini? Number 7. Who? Dengan siapa? Who is used to ask questions to people who have the status of a subject. Will whom is the type of question word for people who have the position of being the object or recipient of the action of the subject. Example. Number 1. Whom are you going to meet? Dengan siapa kamu akan bertemu? Number 2. Whom did she invite to the party? Siapa yang dia undang ke pesta? Number 3. Whom was Chloe talking to? Chloe berbicara dengan siapa? Number 8. Was kepemilikan. Was is question word in English that is used to ask about the ownership or ownership of a particular object or object. Example. Number 1. Whose book is this? Buku ini milik siapa? Number 2. Whose turn is it? Ini giliran siapa? Number 3. Whose outfit are you wearing? Baju siapa yang kamu pakai? Number 9. How? Bagaimana? How is a question word in English is used to ask how or the progress of an event or action it carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the methods or procedure involved in a situation or activity. Example. Number 1. How do you bake a cake? Bagaimana cara membangun kue? Number 2. How was your exam? Bagaimana ujian kamu? Number 3. How did you build this Lego? Bagaimana cara kamu membangun Lego ini? Formula question word. WH question with auxiliary verb. WH plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb plus question. Example. Number 1. When are you leaving? Kapan kamu berangkat? Number 2. Where do they live? Di mana mereka tinggal? Number 3. What have they decided? Apa yang telah mereka putuskan? WH question with modal verb. Words that are included in modal verb include can, call, will, would, shall, should, may, make, must. WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus question. Example. Number 1. Who will he stay with? Dengan siapa dia akan tinggal? Number 2. What shall I do? Apa yang harus saya lakukan? Number 3. Why shall we read book? Mengapa kita harus membaca buku? Interrogative sentences without auxiliary or modal verb. This formula shows that WH itself has replaced the subject position. WH plus main verb plus question. Example. Number 1. Who won the game? Siapa yang memenangkan permainan? Number 2. Whose phone rang? Telepon siapa yang berdering? Number 3. Who bought this? Siapa yang membeli itu? Dialog. Hello Elodie. What are your plans for tomorrow? Hello Shiana. Tomorrow I will learn ice skating. Where do you go ice skating? I went to go to Taman Anggrek Mall. There is a very good place for ice skating. Who do you go ice skating with? I'll go with Arsene, Leo, and Chloe. I think I know. They're your little friends, are they, Elodie? How do you know that they are my little friends? I know from Leo, so he tells you all about his childhood. Why do you know Leo? Actually, he is my brother. Wait, did I just find out that you two are brother? Last Monday I told you, Elodie. When did you tell me? I think I forgot. Do you remember when we ate fried rice with Leah? Who is Leah? Is this our friend? Leah is not our friend, but an appreciated classmate who helps us when we don't understand our math assessment. The classmate who won the Saint Olympiad yesterday? Yes, Elodie. Oh, I just remember Sienna. By the way, Alex released a new album. What song do you like most from Elodie? Alex, the song Cherish My Love is really fun when played continuously. I also like the song Elodie. Question number 1. My juice is gone. To my juice. My juice is gone. Who took my juice? Number 2. Is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Cats are lovely animal. Why do you hate them? Number 4. Ice cream is better. Chocolate or vanilla? Number 4. Which ice cream is better, chocolate or vanilla? Number 5. Is that Cecile the girl you give birthday present for? Is that Cecile the girl whom you give birthday present for? Thank you for understanding the lesson about the question word.